So I wish I would have done my hair for this tutorial, but whatever. This is not a hair tutorial. This is an eyeliner tutorial that I've been wanting to do forever now. But you know, putting yourself out there is a little bit scary. So I guess I've just been like putting it off. But now that we have more time, obviously because of the current situation, I can go ahead and do this now. All right, so the first thing that you should know is probably which eyeliner I use. So the one that I always use and I have been using for many years is the NYX liquid eyeliner in matte. So there's two different ones. The first one is I think it's called vinyl, which pretty much means that the finish of the eyeliner it's more glossy, like it's gonna have like a glossy residue. But compared to the matte, it obviously dries matte and it looks so much better with all of your looks, at least in my opinion. And it looks like this when you open it. So it has like a really, you can barely even see. Look at it on my forehead real quick. And it's like really thin of a brush and it's a little bit long. So it makes it so easy to do the flick of your wing in winged eyeliner, okay? So that's what I use. And I totally recommend it. I usually get it at Ulta for about $6.99, I think. Maybe $70 with tax. It's not expensive and it's so good. I've tried many eyeliners. I've been doing eyeliner for years now, and this is the only one that doesn't freaking go everywhere when my eyes are watery. So definitely check this out. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna do my best to not block you with my fat hand while I'm trying to do this, okay? Okay, here we go. So, what you need to know first is that your face is literally your best friend, okay? So a lot of girls make the mistake of trying to freehand the wing eyeliner, and that's just not gonna work. You don't have any control. So what you need to do is you need to use your face as a hand rest, like this. Okay, so you first put your hand with your brush or with your eyeliner on your face. Ooh, let me see, like there, I don't know, whatever feels comfortable. And you're gonna start at the edge, like at the very end of your eye, like there. But before that, you have to kind of look at your own eye. So you need to know where you want it, where it looks more flattering, where your eye folds, and so on. Like for example, if my eye folds there, obviously my eyeliner needs to be somewhere around there for it to show when my eyelid is all the way open and closed. All right. So here we go. We're gonna try it one more time. Oh, and when you dip, girl, you better not grab the whole product that comes out when you first dip it in. No, you need to brush off the excess because then you're gonna make a freaking mess, okay? And we don't want that. We didn't work on our eyeshadow that took us an hour for it to flop when you're trying to do your eyeliner, okay? And I know eyeliner can be so intimidating for that same reason, but girl, trial and error, okay? So here we go. Like I said, put your hand on your face and flick. All right, so now that I have that done, dip it one more time. And you can see that, I mean, I know my eye already, so I know that that's where it looks more flattering on my face, on my eye. So there we go. So I start by doing that wing first, because that's the most difficult part of eyeliner. So if you get that, if you can do that, girl, you got this, okay? So you see how I did that? You put your hand on your face for control, and then you start there and you flick, like you let it go at the end of your wing, okay? Now, it's pretty much preference, but what I like to do after the flick is meet at the end. So from here to here. So here we go. So you go, can you see? Yes. All right. Oh, and make sure this is super thin. Like the beginning of your eyeliner should always be really, really thin, or else you're gonna look crazy, okay? I mean, to each their own. I like thin to thick, but that's just my preference. So here we go, you continue. Another tip that I wanna give you is make sure that you're holding your mirror a little bit down. You're gonna look down. If you look up, you're risking your eyeliner to transfer before it dries, so you don't do that. All right, so you look down, hold your mirror down, and you just continue to do your eyeliner. Okay. We're back. I realized that, so look, I have two eyeliners, and one of them I've been having for a while, and I was realizing that it was coming out a little bit choppy. So I said, time to use the newer one. So here we go. We get on our other one. And of course, we dip, we tap off the little excess in the bottle, and we just continue. So now it's easy because all you gotta do is meet with the end of your wing. Okay. Here we go. Take your time with it. Do not rush. That's the other mistake that people do. They want to rush everything. And I don't know what happens. Like, it's just life hitting you, coming and bite you in the because when you rush things, like everything just goes down the drain real quick. I don't know why. That just happens. Every time I try to rush, it always comes out looking ugly. All right, so here we go. Another tip that I'm gonna give you is if you're able to close one of your eyes while you're doing that eye, then do it. So for what I mean, I know, like, what the hell do you mean? Okay, so what I do, I'm able to close this eye and leave this one open. But if you're not, I mean, just figure it out. But what I do and what helps me a lot is the fact that I can do that. So I close one eye. And there you go. Okay, continue. Okay, it's coming. And remember, if your wing doesn't come out as sharp as you would like it to, you can always go in with concealer and clean it up. But you see, when you have this eyeliner and use a technique that I showed you, most of the time you won't need to. Okay, and I'm not trying to brag or whatever, but this is what works for me. And yes, you're gonna make weird faces when you're trying to do eyeliner. Okay, so that is that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna come back for the end of the video, okay? So that's me. Actually, this is me with my other eye done, with my eyeliner and my mascara. Today, I'm not really gonna do anything, obviously, so why wear eyelashes? Why waste some glue when you're not gonna go anywhere crazy right now? So it's fine. So that was the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I know that for most people, they're just gonna flip through this and be like, whatever, I don't need to see this. But there are some of you girls out there that have been asking me for an eyeliner tutorial, so that's why I did it. I did it for you guys. And so let me know what your thoughts were, what you think. If you want something in specific for me to show you, then just let me know. You can leave it in the comments, whatever you like. But that's pretty much it. Before I finish the video, I just want to share what I'm wearing on my lips because it is iconic. It's like the perfect everyday lip, honestly, and I just got it like 2 days ago. It's one of my most recent discoveries, and I'm just too excited not to share with you guys. So here we go. This is the Kiss, K-I-S, just kidding. Kiss lip liners. And actually, my friend Melina showed me these. She said, girl, you have to get these. These are cheap and they're, They're effective. They're just good. You get the point. And this one is in warm nude. Okay. Everyday lip, honestly. And then the lip I paired it with was from Beauty Creations. Girl, they've been stepping up their game lately. I remember trying this a while back, and then I just came back to it because it's that good. This is called Barely Naked. You don't need to go and buy the KKW freaking lipsticks, 1, 2, 2.3, 3.7, whatever. Those are just so overpriced because of the name brand or the brand name, whatever. But this is just as good, and it's like less than half of the price. This is like $4.99. And this is like $2.99. You can't beat those prices. So I don't know. If you want to see some really affordable products that I use and that I live by, just let me know. I actually was thinking of maybe doing some other basic, like super basic things about makeup. Like for example, maybe how to curl your eyelashes or how to do your eyebrows or maybe something about skincare. I don't know. I'm just kind of brainstorming, but if you're a girl whose eyelashes are like straight as, I don't even know, like your table or something, I'm gonna show you how to curl them because mine, I don't wake up like this. Mine are not that curly. I have to curl them, and there's a specific way for you to curl them so that they don't look like this and like boop, boop. Like I see a lot of girls just go to town and be like, but you don't know. No. I cringe every time because I'm like, come here. I just want to be like, come here. Let me show you, girl. Let me change your life real quick. With something so small as curling your eyelid, whatever. I'm going on a rant now, but anyways, thank you guys for watching and for staying till the end of the video. Hopefully I'll upload soon. So you guys take care. All right, bye.